Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video we came from Don Patrick guys to buy some couple of messages. So I'll show you what we buy there. So first thing first, today is my first day off guys. And then I'll show you what we buy there. I got another flower. Sorry. Oh, squish. I have another one flower. So I have another flower, guys, orchid. This is the color white and the other one is pretty as well. So I put some water a bit, guys. See, as you can see, guys, it's pretty. My new baby, guys, is another orchids. I have 3 orchids right now, so I'll show you later or next time. So I put a bit water, guys, now. So I show you again. I buy some Colgate. I bought for my extra. And this is, I got some 4 pens. I need some ball pen to my work, guys. And then we have buy some granulate sugar. So we have here also, but I need some extra. We still have there 3. So this is the extra again. And I buy some water because I feel thirsty. And I buy this, guys, for my work as well. I need this to my water because it's really warm to my work, you know. So I need this one for me. This is tumbler. And I need some socks. I have lots of socks, but it's not color black. So I need socks color black for my work. So I bought this one. Is how much is it? It's 2 pounds, guys. Alright. Not too bad. And then I got my favorite. I'm not really eating this one, guys. Just if I want to, then I eat. So still have there in the cupboard. So just for my extra, you know. I'm not really eating this every day. And I buy a bit some notes, my schedules, what day I go, my time, evening, and morning days or morning, something like that. I use here so that I'll not forget. So this is my diary for my work book. And this is for my husband, guys. This is for me because every day I use this and I bring to my work and I put inside my bag. And this one for my husband too. He has also some record for my works and dates and time as well, you know. Same with me, but this one for me small. It's easy to put inside my bag. And this is for him. I don't know why I get this color for him. I thought it's for me, but I see this. I say that's for me small. It's easy. So I have 2 right now. And this is the ball pen. Supposed to be I have ball pen there, but this is for the extra. But I try to look there if it is good. I'm not sure. We will see what's the next. I don't know how to open it. So just I try, guys, if it's working. It's working, it's good. Alright, that's good. It's working, it's nice. That's a sign pin. That's a sign pin, guys. So I'll put it here. And then this is my coat here. So I need to wash this later. That's my things. And then this is the other one. Messages, guys. So we bought some grips. This is my sweets for when I go to work, guys. So I use this, guys, for, you know, candies. And husband likes the chocolate as well, guys. You know, he likes this to eat. And I bought this one, guys. This is a shampoo. I like this. It's coconut. It's really nice to my hair. It's really soft. It's really nice. I tried this before, so this is my 2nd time, I think, or no, this is my 3rd time usually. And I have this one for the same, but this is a conditioner. This is the conditioner. And this is the other one is shampoo. Shampoo and the conditioner. So they are the same product. It's nice. It's really nice. You know, before I like my hair. My hair before is rebonded. So it's really bad. When I'm go to shower and then when I'm not using conditioners, my hair is like a plastic or what. You cannot really comb. It's really bad because the last time my last rebond, it's really they damaged my hair, so I don't like that. I don't want it again. So maybe how many years it will happen again. Maybe we'll go to the Philippines or whatsoever, blah blah, and then I'll do it again. So I buy this again, guys. So because I have that the last time, the three clumps, but for my hair is too heavy, so it's already cracked. It's already gone. So I need this one again, guys. I got two. I got spare ones. I want the black one and the gray one. So I use this because sometimes I feel warm. So do like my hair sometimes. So I do like squeeze and clip like that. So it's easy for me. And then I got fairy one, guys. Even I have there, you know what, me and husband like some spare one so that extra. And then this is the other one, color green one. So we still have there as well. I said to husband, just leave one. He says no, just take it two. So I get two. And then what is this? We buy some cotton buds, guys. So this is just like it's just only 1 pound, I think. Yeah, 1 pound. Yeah, that's nice. That's too cheap. I like it. I buy some slippers from Primark. This is the slippers. It's only just 1 pound, guys. So that's for the inside because this one my slipper before I use in and out. So I have spare one, so I need the one. And then I got new. What is this? I tried this hide and cheek. I got the concealer, guys. So I'm not really using this, but sometimes I use, you know, sometimes, but mostly sometimes just I try this before I have, but I'm not really use. That's color time. I don't know what's the color, but I don't like that, but I think it's better this. So what else? I buy my vitamins, guys, for my work and everything. I wake up early, go to work, and the night shift, it's really hard. So it's okay, but as long as I earn, I'm happy for that, you know. So this is multivitamins plus iron. This is 60 tablets, guys. So we will see. But you know, I tried this before and I really, it's nice for me. It's nice. You go to sleep, more sleep, and you have lots of eating. Oh my goodness. I'm looking some other vitamins like Syndrome, but I couldn't find there. Maybe in the chemist. Guys. So we will see after. So I wash this because I buy some, you know, pants for my work. Not too bad. So I'll buy this and I need to wash this. Just only, guys, is 4 pounds. Yeah. Just 4 pounds in the. So I use this for my work. So I need to wash it. So just only our vlog for today, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, sometimes I'm stuck. I'm not uploading now daily because when I have my off, today is my straight 5 days off, so I can make vlog and update you guys. So don't worry about it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching our vlogs, guys. So sometimes I do it the short videos. So what's happening to me? So you know, I'm busy, so that's why. So just I'm trying to keep on filming now because it's my free time. So it's time to editing, you know. That's That's for me. It's hard when I was work, so I don't have time. So just for now, I'll do it myself. So let's see what's the next happened. All right. Thank you so much. Bye. This is my two orchids. This is my other one, guys, and this is my other one. This is my first, and this is my second. And you see the last time the color white. So look, looks pretty. Looks pretty as me. Our house looks messy. Let's do like that. Do that. Do that. so this is the white one, the new one, and this is our plants, the otherwise, guys. Look, let me see here. So I watered on the others. Okay, so I wash a bit, guys, the dishes. I'll wash the dishes for a while because it's really messy. We're just home, guys, came from outside. So I'll wash the dish. Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you our next vlog. Bye.